PMF Finance, and of course all the other corporate management members as well. And I would like to also welcome Mr. Prasanna Tilakasiri, the Chief Operating Officer of Sterling, and Ms. Darshaki Deepa, Manager Customer Relations of Sterling as well. And of course, we have few other distinguished guests here. Of course, all the invited vehicle dealers and media representatives, and of course, Mr. Hasita Maduranga as well, who's joining with us, who's a well-renowned YouTuber. Right, so with that being done, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to officially commence today's proceedings. And before moving on with the proceedings, it's time to rise up for the national anthem. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Now, for over 40 years, ladies and gentlemen, the PMF Finance PLC has helped our fellow Sri Lankans to invest in their futures through a culture of savings. And now, of course, in union with the Sterling Group in Japan, ladies and gentlemen, PMF Finance has certainly evolved itself to even or to provide our customers with even more sophisticated services, with more strength, more commitment, and of course with more scales. Now, this particular program, ladies and gentlemen, or the Guardian Lease product actually holds a special place. If we look into the number of services that PMF Finance is offering to our fellow Sri Lankans, is Guardian Lease holds a special place because we're proud to announce that, ladies and gentlemen, it's the first of its kind here in Sri Lanka, and it is, of course, Sri Lanka's first ever leasing product that comes with a comprehensive vehicle mechanical warranty backed by Sterling with the lowest PMF Finance leasing rates as well. Now, we all know that, ladies and gentlemen, that Sterling Automobile, which is a subsidiary of Sterling Group of Japan, was the largest vehicle importer in Sri Lanka, and now they operate Sterling Aftercare Centers that provide its customers with high quality services at the right price. So we are extremely thrilled to cooperate or collaborate with the Sterling Automobiles and to provide this very unique product that is the Guardian Lease, Guardian Lease offered by PMF Finance PLC. So also, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take a few minutes of your time to explain you about this Guardian Lease. I'm sure our speakers who are ready to speak today will give you an in-detail explanation about the Guardian's Lease, but let me point out a few important points. Now, this is of course a tailor-made leasing facility to suit customers' financial capacity. It is coupled with exclusive 2 years warranty on engine and gearbox and 2 years unlimited labor-free service. And this warranty is offered only for Japanese manufactured gasoline vehicles. That includes cars, mini SUVs manufactured on or after 2016. Sterling Automobiles Lanka offers their comprehensive Sterling warranty only for the engine and the gearbox of the vehicle, and the warranty period covers only 2 years periods or 40,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. So those are the some of the important points about this Guardian Lease program. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with that being done, now it's time to make it official. So to do the honors of exchanging the MOUs with regard to this Guardian Lease offered by PMF Finance PLC, I would like to invite representing PMF Finance PLC, Mr. Chandula Abevikrama, who's the chairman of PMF, Mr. Terence Kumara, the CEO of PMF Finance, and Professor Ajit Medis, the CEO or COO of PMF Finance PLC, onto the stage. And representing the Sterling Automobiles Lanka Private Limited, I would like to invite Mr. Rangana Madhushankar, Director of PMF and the CEO of Sterling, Mr. Prasanna Tilakasiri, COO of Sterling Automobiles, and Ms. Darshaki Deepa, Manager, Customer Relations of Sterling Automobile Group. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much for joining me in the exchange of MOUs for the Guardian Lease offered by PMF Finance. Now, moving on to our first speech, ladies and gentlemen, we have a very distinguished guest joining with us, a key personnel from PMF Finance PLC. He's an accomplished and a well-respected senior commercial banker with lead expertise and experience in retail and development banking. He has a proven track record of over 35 years and is recognized in Asia as an expert in financial inclusions. He's a global expert on financial inclusion, development financing, and social entrepreneurship and impact investing. He holds a Bachelor's of Commerce special degree from the University of Kalnia and number of other professional qualifications from all around the world. And he is also the co-founder of @Power, the first ever TV reality show for social entrepreneurs and impact investors in Sri Lanka, telecasted on the largest national television network. He's a founder and chairman of Lanka Impact Investing Network Private Limited and Sri Lanka's first ever impact investing firm focused on channeling private equity funds with the purpose of investing and providing business development support to nurture a well-developed ecosystem of social entrepreneurs across the country. He is also the chair of the National Advisory Board for Impact Investing in Sri Lanka as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Chandula Abevikrama, the chairman of PMF Finance PLC.
Thank you and very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a great opportunity here. What reminded me was the desire and the vision our main investor, Mr. Chaminda Molligoda, had when he invested in PMF. He desired so that there would be a collaboration between PMF and Sterling to bring a value to the people. Particularly, he had been, I had the privilege of meeting him several times before I joined and when I was in a conference in Japan. But one of the things that when I asked him why he investing in PMF, he said this is what he wants. He being the largest exporter of reconditioned and new cars to Sri Lanka, and then he felt that this was a long desire he had to have a listed public finance entity under his belt, mainly to bring that kind of collaboration to bring value to the people, particularly the people who are going to own vehicles. But unfortunately, the COVID came, and then the economic setback came, and all these things came, and the vehicle import from Japan, export from Japan to here and import all that. And then we had a huge challenging task, not only for Sterling, but also for PMF and also for the entire industry of leasing in Sri Lanka. Now, today marks a very important milestone. I believe that soon after the debt restructuring is probably by July over, there would be a tremendous amount of involvement internationally as well as nationally. There would be at least partial lifting up of this ban, and there would be inflow of vehicles would be coming. So in that regard, this is very timely initiative Sterling has initiated, particularly Rangana, the CEO of Sterling Automobiles and the board member of PMF. I want to congratulate him. This is his brainchild and his team to come up with this kind of a guarantee initiative. And then our team, PMF, strongly supported it. And then our CEO Terence Kumar and our CWO Ajit really energized the whole process. And today we are seeing that launch taking place. I believe that at least for next 6 months or to 1 year, there would be still people who want to have the benefit of purchasing vehicles, either used. But as the slogan says, what we offer through this is peace of mind, certified or guaranteed. And naturally, when you buy a used vehicle, you have tremendous challenges. Because I always remember somebody telling me, when you buy a used vehicle, you're buying somebody else's problems. Now here, we are giving some certified peace of mind so that there would be a guaranteed assurance that this vehicle is having a comfort of driving without any challenges. So I want to thank particularly Mr. Rangana and his team, Prasanna, and Deepa and all the Sterling team, and also our team, our CEO Terence Kumar and our COO Ajit Medis, and all the PMF team here, and all the dealers who have come here to support this. I think during these challenging times in the last, so almost now 2019 up to now, nearly 4 years or 5 years, we all have gone through difficult times. The people of the country, the businessmen, and particularly the people who facilitated empowering people through vehicles, the car importers, and such people have gone through difficult times. So I think generally it says the darkest hours is just before the dawn. So I think we are going to see that dawn probably after July. And towards that, this initiative is very vital. And a lot of hearts and minds have gone together. A lot of hands have moved on this process. And I remember spending time with the team in designing some of the things connected to it, creating bigger value for this initiative. And finally, all have put their hands and minds and everything, come up with a perfect solution for people. And I believe this arrangement could trigger something bigger to take place after the debt restructuring, where the country would be strongly placed for bigger investments. I myself is engaged in number of initiatives in the global level in the area of equity investing, and I know the kind of funding that is waiting to come here in Sri Lanka. No sooner this debt restructuring is done, and so many other countries are going to support. So ladies and gentlemen, having said that, I want to assure all the vehicle dealers here, we want to make sure that we hold hand with you, not only with the Sterling, through the Sterling, but also PMF, because we have the capacity, we have the energy, we have the solutions to empower and enrich your operations, thereby empower the vehicle owning community of Sri Lanka, and to make more people own vehicles and have the pressure of driving, and expand the possibility of transformative leasing industry through Guardian Leasing. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chandala, for addressing this esteemed gathering. And next up, to address this formal gathering, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite another key personnel from the PMF Finance PLC, and of course from the Sterling Automobile Group as well. He's the Chief Executive Officer of Sterling Automobiles Lanka Private Limited, and was appointed as a non-executive, non-independent director at PMF Finance PLC as well. Now, his expertise is widespread, covering a range of industries from banking and finance, insurance, microfinance, plantations, manufacturing, general trading, apparel, not-for-profit organizations, and service-oriented organizations, to name a few. He has a proven track record of over 10 years in the corporate world, having held leadership positions in both leading local and overseas entities at senior and strategic level. He's an associate member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Sri Lanka, and holds MBA from the Cardiff Metropolitan University of UK. He's also an associate member of the Institute of Professional Finance Managers of UK, and an associate member of the Association of Accounting Technicians of Sri Lanka. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Rangana Madhushankar, CEO of Sterling and Director at PMF Finance PLC.
Thank you very much for generous introduction. Chairman and Board of Directors of PMF Finance PLC, and the corporate management of Sterling Automobiles Lanka Private Limited, and all the distinct guys, invitees here for the session. Today is a very special day for all of us. As you all know, we have been gathered here to today the launch very important product of the whole leasing market in the country, which have been first time ever history in Sri Lanka leasing market. We experiencing Lease is giving with a comprehensive warranty and backed by the most trusted warranty partner in the Sri Lanka. So this is a unique opportunity that Sri Lankan as a nation, as the industry, we are getting to shine and to bring forward this industry to the next level. I'm really honored and really happy to that be part of this event as one of the party who is hosting the event as Sterling Automobiles, giving a comprehensive warranty to the Guardian Lease product and backing the whole project throughout this period. Before I move to explain about the Guardian Lease product, I would like to give a small introduction about Sterling Automobiles Lanka Private Limited. Who are they, what are they doing, and what they have done, their operation in Sri Lankan context. I would like to mention that, as you all know, that Sterling Automobiles Lanka started their operation in year 2007, and year 2012 they brought the very novel concept of Sterling warranty, which is the first party who is ensuring the reconditioned vehicle which is imported from Japan, all JDM and EDM models, to give a comprehensive warranty backing by the engine, gearbox and batteries, and to drive all the vehicles who have been imported from Sterling Japan, Sterling Automobiles, to run with their driving assurance. So we have serviced this warranty almost a decade period now, and as you all know, when the restrictions comes forward in last 3 to 4 years before with the authorities, still there are many people, there are many vehicle owners are enjoying this our warranty, and they have been very happy to deal with Sterling for the next decade as well. So I would like to mention, so this is a wonderful opportunity for all of us, especially for the PMF Finance PLC. This opportunity we got here to combine with them as a synergy of the one group to give and drive the product forward and to get more benefit to all of our customers. In addition to that, we have not limited to offering the Sterling guarantee to all our customers. We have been established 5 state-of-art workshops in island-wide, mainly concerning the western and southern province, and to give a highest quality standard vehicle service and maintenance experience to all our customers who been imported vehicle from Sterling Automobiles. In addition to that, I would like to mention we have been not limited from that aspect. From actually last 3 to 4 years, we have been open all our workshops to all the parties who have been imported the vehicles from Sterling, as well as other dealers also, to get their best experience in our workshops and to get all their mechanical repairs with a very affordable and very good price. So in addition to that, further I would like to mention Sterling Group, they started their diversification in year 2019 mainly by handing on with PMF Finance PLC. We expanded our wings to finance industry also. At that time we call the company as People Merchant Finance PLC, and today we are experiencing that the synergy that we brought here to the practice of Sterling and the PMF, and today that's the reality product of the Guardian Lease, that the automobile giant in the industry and the very renowned finance company in the finance field, today we are experiencing how we can do what we can do to the market with the Guardian Lease. I'm pretty happy about announce this collaboration as the CEO of Sterling Automobiles Lanka Private Limited. Actually, I would like to discuss few words about how this concept came to our mind and how we drive this thing, come to the practical aspect and execute this whole product in the market. Actually, as I mentioned also that we are running island-wide all the workshops. So as Mr. Chandula Abhivikrama told also in his previous discussion, so we know day to day our customers' issues, we know market problems. So basically, in the market issues, I know because of the last 3 to 4 years time period that the vehicles being not imported, a lot of people had a lot of issues when they're buying a vehicle, because they know they don't have a option to go for a new vehicle. Always they have to rely on few vehicles which is in the current population, and they are come with enormous problems. So as the vehicle service provider company, so basically we understand one of the biggest issue they are having is when they go for a new vehicle, because these vehicles are fairly old vehicles. Most registration have been done 8-10 years before, and many owners are there, and a lot of mechanical and technical issues are there in the vehicles. So then we thought as a company, as a group, and the automobile giant in the Sri Lankan market, how we can get address and solve this matter. So then we came to this novel concept that with the PMF Finance, so we can bring a product to give those assurance and the leasing together for the end user, and to bring them the solve this problem in the very nice manner. That is how this concept was built up, because not only getting a guardian lease with the attractive rate and the very good service from the PMF Finance, all the vehicle users who owners getting the guardian lease facility through PMF Finance, so they are getting a full inspection from the Sterling Automobile, which is a free of charge certification. So which is a very rare opportunity that whoever willing to buying a vehicle, because I know every our workshop daily we are doing a lot of inspection with a very high cost and very high price. So that opportunity now PMF lease customers are getting free of charge through the guardian lease facility. In addition to that, we have been coupled this thing with another benefit to all the customers by giving 2 years unlimited labor-free services. So as you all know, Sterling is one of the highest standard international level services and repairs we are doing. So now you all are having opportunity to get those all the services with the guardian lease at a very nominal price and labor-free charges. So these are very good concept and very good opportunity for all the our Sri Lankan vehicle users. I'm pretty happy that launched this product to the market, and I in addition to that, I would really thank to my staff and PMF corporate management and Sterling corporate management. They have been worked heavily, and they have been worked very tirelessly about bring this product to the live stage, because this is not an easy task. I know these are two corporate entities and one entity is a regulated entity, so we had to do a lot, get a lot of approvals, we had to do a lot of preparations, but today is the reality of that. And I really thank especially for the dealers who have been joining with us today, and the media representatives always with us to go us to the general public. And finally, I would like to really cordially invite to all the PMF and Sterling stakeholders, not only them, even the whole Sri Lankans, to come and enjoy this guardian lease facility from today onwards. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for addressing this gathering and, of course, taking part in this event as well. And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, we have another speech coming up, and this time I would like to once again invite another key personnel from the PMF Finance PLC, someone who has been in and around the company for a long time now. Now, he has more than 30 years of experience in the banking and the financial industry, and he brings a wealth of knowledge and expertise to PMF Finance PLC. He has been a lecturer at the University of Kelaniya and served as People's Merchant Bank PLC, served at People's Merchant Bank PLC and Lanka Oryx Leasing Company PLC as well. He has been involved in many consultation projects in the finance industry, including serving as a director at Alliance Finance PLC, and has also served as a board member in non-financial sector firms as well. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite Professor Ajit Medis, the Chief Operating Officer, come the Chief Strategy Officer at PMF Finance PLC.
Thank you. Few customers we have here, and most important dealers, press, PMF and Sterling staff members, our board, CEO and the chairman. The guardian lease is what is all about today. This is what we are now planning to do. You all heard that what is guardian lease. What are we trying to do actually through this guardian lease? When it comes to business, you find there are two things any businesses should do. One main thing is adding value. So some companies keep adding value to customers. Some companies, what they do is once the value is added, established, they keep on betting on that. වටිනාකමක් එකතු කරන්න ඕනේ. How do you add value? Very simple. If you want to add value, you need to go through the inconveniences that customers are facing, problems that customers are facing. And then you address those inconveniences and problems. Outcome of that is the value that you bring. The guardian lease එකෙන් එන difficulty එක මොකද්ද? හරි සරලයි මේ දවස්වල market එක තනිකර තියෙන්නේ second hand market එක. used vehicles තමයි මිනිස්සු ගන්නෙ. දැන් මේ used vehicles ගන්න මිනිස්සුන්ට තියෙන ප්‍රධාන ප්‍රශ්නේ මොකද්ද? The quality of the vehicle. මොකද්ද තියෙන assurance එක මේ වාහනේ මට අරගෙන මේ කියන peace of mind එකෙන් at least අවුරුදු දෙකක් තුනක් දුවන්න පුළුවන් කියන එක. හොඳ ඩීලර්ස්ලා ඉන්නවා. ඒ වගේම ඉන්නවා ඉන්ඩිවිජුවල් සෙලර්ස්ලා. ඒගොල්ලෝ ඔක්කොම වාහන ජෙනුයින් වාහන තියෙනවා. ජෙනුයින් නැති වාහන තියෙනවා. දැන් මේක තමයි මාකට් එක. ඒතර ඕකට විසඳුමක් තමයි මේ ගාඩියන් ලීස් කියන්නේ. That's a solution we wanted to give it. We give customers buy the vehicle from us and you get the service from the Sri Lanka's #1 vehicle importer and the service provider. That is the care. That's Sterling Care. So the customers can keep their, mind peacefully and run these vehicles for 2 years without any difficulty. The maker තමයි කරන්න ඕන දේ. ඉතින් මේක the need of the hour. මොකද second hand market එකේ මිනිස්සු ගිහිල්ලා ගන්නවා මිනිස්සු දන්නේ නැහැ අතර මේ වාහනේ මොකද්ද කියලා. ගොඩක් අය ගිහිල්ලා certification දෙනවා මේ වාහනේ මේක හොඳයි condition හොඳයි කියලා. හැබැයි certification දෙන්නේ ඒගොල්ලන්ට තියෙන certification එක මොකක්ද? පාරක් අයින වාහනයක ගිහිල්ලා බලලා ගේකට ගිහිල්ලා බලලා වාහනයක් උස්සන්නේවත් නැතුව certification එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද? The issues. But Sterling Care will give you the warranty. ඉතින් PMF Finance මේ ගෙනල්ලා තියෙන value addition එක. මේ කම්පැනිය අවුරුදු 40කට වඩා වැඩි වයස තියෙන කම්පැනියක්. මේක පටන් ගත්තේ People's Merchant Bank කියන එක පටන් ගත්තේ මේ වගේ value addition එකක් දෙන්න ඒ කාලේ. capital market එක දියුණු වෙනකොට capital market එකට serve කරන්න companies නැහැ. එතකොට ඕනේ කරා capital market එකට උදව් කරන්න හොඳ companies එකක් දෙයක් ලංකාවේ set up කරන්න. ඒකේ ප්‍රතිඵලයක් විදියට තමයි ඒ value addition එකේ requirement එකක් විදියට තමයි People's Bank එක, HNB බැංකුව, DFCC බැංකුව සහ වෙනත් මූල්‍ය ආයතන එකතු වෙලා People's Merchant Bank කියන එකක් දැන් මේ කාලේ. So that was the history. History also, to start with adding value. And now we keep adding value. Now we are, dedicated to add value in the future. Then that's how we will go ahead. If we make a Honda product අපේ customers ලට ඕනම customer කෙනෙකුට මේකෙන් පුළුවන් Tamanට අරගෙන වාහනේ කිසිම කරදරයක් නැතුව එලවගෙන යන්න. brand new එකකට හා සමාන. ඉතින් මං හිතනවා මේක අපේ පාරිභෝගිකයෝ සහ අනිකුත් ඩීලර්ස්ලා මේක ධනාත්මකව අරගෙන මේක ඉදිරියට ගෙනියයි කියලා. In other words, it's කාට හරි කියන්න පුළුවන් නෑ මේක business එකක් කියලා. Yes, it's a business. But this is a solution we are giving for the problems that customers are today facing. Whether dealers that this is a very good opportunity to say and establish their name. So I'm sure that we have very good dealers island-wide who have been associating more than PMF Finance, the Sterling Group, a trusted partner for them for a long period of time. So we are hoping to have a very good, the relationship with these dealers and to promote this product island-wide. We'll be starting the second phase of launching this in Kandy, starting from 3rd of May, and then this will go to Kurunegala. So we are hoping to take this, you know, the slowly by slowly, island-wide. So with that, I thank especially the Sterling Group, CEO, COO, and the entire staff of Sterling Group, and our dealers, most importantly, and my staff for this initiative. So thank you very much, everyone. Hope this product will be a real solution for our second-hand vehicle purchasing buyers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for addressing this gathering. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to conclude today's event. So as your host for today's event, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank all our distinguished guests and, of course, all our guests who came here today, committing their time and effort to be a part of this amazing initiative done by the PMF Finance PLC and the Sterling Automobile Group. So ladies and gentlemen, there's refreshments for you as well, so you can enjoy that and have a good day. Thank you. And it is also very prudent to note that, ladies and gentlemen, we as PMF Finance PLC and of course Sterling Automobile Group, we are confident that this initiative will definitely make our commitment and our efforts to make our fellow Sri Lankans be a part of something amazing starting from today onwards. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you and have a good day.